Hello everyone, this video will show you how to quickly connect to Wi-Fi and set the app to control the water timer. Before starting setup, you will need a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, a RF water timer HCT639, a Sub-GHz gateway HCG003, tow 1.5 VAA alkaline batteries. First download Tuya Smart or Smart Life app, register and log in. Open the Tuya app, then turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Pairing the Sub-GHz gateway. The following are the usage instructions for the gateway and precautions for the installation location. Plug in Sub-GHz gateway ready to connect. Click the plus in the upper right corner and then click Add Device. Press and hold until the orange light blinks rapidly. Click Sub-GHz gateway, enter Wi-Fi information and click the next icon. Click Done to proceed to the next step. The Sub-GHz gateway pairing successful. Add a water timer. The connection distance between the timer and the gateway can reach up to 1,640 feet, 500 meters. Click the Add Device in the lower left corner to add the water timer. Click 4-way water timer and follow the steps. Press and hold any button for 5 seconds. Confirm that the indicator light is flashing. Click Next and then Done to enter the operation interface. If pairing fails, please ensure the following matters. Manual mode. One click to switch to manual mode without interrupting your schedule. Manage the garden at any time. Click on the time above the watering button to set the maximum duration for manual watering to 12 hours. Click the water button to start watering. Normal irrigation. Click on Schedule to set up an irrigation schedule and click on Add to add an irrigation schedule. Set the irrigation start time and set the irrigation duration up to 12 hours. You can set the number of days between irrigation. Click on Save to save the setup irrigation plan. You can set up to 5 irrigation plans in the schedule. Swipe from the right to the left to delete the irrigation schedule. Misting mode. Click Misting, then click Add to set the start time, end time, misting duration, interval duration, and days of irrigation cycle. Note, total spray time cannot be less than spray duration. Click Save to save the settings. You can set up to 2 irrigation schedules can be set up in misting. Swipe from the right to the left to delete the irrigation schedule. Record. Click on Record to view irrigation records. Smart Weather. Click Weather Delay to activate the rain delay function. You can select the number of days of rain delay and cancel it at the same time, or click the slider on the right side of a Smart Weather to turn on the Smart Rain Delay.